Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be adding a twist to oatmeal cookies by making strawberry oatmeal cookies. And for that I'm going to need 1.5 cups of oats, 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 egg, a half a cup of applesauce, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and last but not least, 2 cups of dehydrated strawberries. Well, I can't wait to make this and see how it turns out. So let's go. And starting off is pretty simple. We're going to be pouring our oats, our flour, our baking soda and baking powder, and our salt, and making sure that that's combined thoroughly. Next, with our electric mixer on a nice low setting, we are going to be combining the butter, our white sugar, and our brown sugar. We'll get these all combined, and I'll be right back. And last but not least, for our cookies, once it's well combined, we're going to start putting in little intervals of our oat flour, baking soda, baking powder mixture. And of course, mixing it together well on a nice medium to low cycle. And once those two are combined into almost a crumble-like consistency, we will be adding our egg, our vanilla, and our apples. Once that is all combined, we're going to put in our dried strawberries. Once our cookies are all mixed together, I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons scoop, or around about that, putting it onto our cookie tray. You're not going to want to get those too close together, because they're going to spread out when they cook. Our pan is covered with about 8 cookies, and we have preheated our oven to 350. And they will be going in from 12 to 16 minutes. And once those 12 to 16 minutes are up, your cookies will look a lot like this. I'll be taking mine and putting them on a wire rack to cool a little faster and baking up the very last of our batch that needs it. Okay, my cookies have cooled off, and now it is the best time to taste them. Here we go. Well, they have that nice oatmeal flavor you get out of oatmeal raisins, but an added sweetness because of the strawberries. And of course, because the strawberries got mixed with other wet things and cooked, they're a little more soft than they were dehydrated. So that's pretty cool. Well, if you want to make what I made, have any thoughts, like what I did, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one.